Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful brown smoky eye look with gold glitter. You can wear this look in party, festival or engagement or cocktail, wherever you want to add some glam. So to start this look, I'm going in with elf bronzer and I'm taking it on M505 brush from Morphe and packing the bronzer all over lid. It's a cream based bronzer, so I'm just using that bronzer as an eye base, and then I'm going with dark brown eyeshadow in my outer lid and slowly bending it towards the middle lid. It's a darker brown shade, so it will look little bit harsh, but as you go and blend slowly it will diffuse and look very pretty. Then I'm adding matte white shade in my inner lid and bringing it to the middle of the lid using a flat brush, and then I'm slowly blending it with the brown so that the edge of white and brown look diffused. Then I'm adding gold glitter on my lid using finger. You can also use silicone based brush. Then I am highlighting my inner corner using champagne shimmer from the palette, as well as bringing that shimmer in my lower lash along with brown eyeshadow and mixing them both together. Once I have packed shimmer, I'm adding gold glitter and blending the glitter as well. Adding some Rimmel London Pecan pencil in my waterline with some mascara. This is my final look. Hope you love watching this video. I will see you in next video. Do subscribe.